Alright YouTube, this is another video for the 540 for E39s. My daughter could not put the seatbelt on, so we're just going to make a real quick video of this. See, it will not engage, and as much as I will push the button, see, it will not, like, literally, it sounds like it snaps in, but, oh, now it did. That's weird. No. So it looks like it would. No, so it's not working. Went to the junkyard, got another one. Not that bad, but I remember like $10, I think. So all you want to do is pull that on the side, right here, and then you want to slide it to your left. And you go around. You want to pull this one too, right here. There you go. Pops off. Slide it out. Get it out. There you go. And if I'm not mistaken, I think it's like 17. That one. We gotta remove. But it makes me think, why is it not working? Maybe it has some little trash inside. Inside. Let me go get the socket. Alright, so we got it back. So that's a 17. 17, alright guys. With a little small extension. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Oh, it's really in there. No, hold on. Alright, already loosen it up. You need two hands, it's really tight in there. Come on. There you go. You saw it, pops out. So, looks like it holds the seatbelt too. So, let's put this one back here. That's a little hinge. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Make sure that hinge is in there too. You guys can see it. There you go. Put the bolt and back. Always do it by hand first. Oops. Excuse me. There you go. Push the little in. Slide in. Look, I had a washer. Let me take it back out. Just noticed it right now, right here. Make sure you put that back. Make sure you put that back on, so guys. Alright. Get this one out of the way. It's trash too. And this, put it tight. Alright, let me tighten it up. Alright, so two hands. So let's try it now. There you go. See, first try. It's really in there. There you go. Let's try it again. Alright, look. I'm gonna keep my old one just in case. Oh, it's actually broken inside. That's why.